Here we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial. We see this pretty good move to the downside, breaking past one of the lows here. And this is the problem here. We've been seeing this weakness as prices are starting to kind of trend to the downside. Now, people could say, well, that almost looks like, a bullish pennant. And yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, a bullish flag as it runs sideways a lot of times, and you'll see that move. But that's a mistake looking at it in that way, because what you're seeing is prices just really topping out at a prior top off a trend line here. And in reality, you're still seeing this kind of go with the trend line. See how it hits it perfectly from the main low? It hits it right here. So we are watching this 1750 level as a major point. Any real break there, I think we probably easily go to the 17200. And again, that's my real break range. You see the break there with any real conviction. I think you could see a move pretty deep in the Dow. And let me just put it in perspective of what we're looking at here. We are seeing the move here. This could eventually, which I think is probably more likely than not, you could see the divergence happening already. We could see this come much deeper into the 14,000, maybe 13,000 level on the Dow. So I think we have a lot further to go. And if we were to say on the weekly, you could see we really, our first top would be right back up into here, I think, right near the 14,000. I would say, I'd watch 15,000 in the 14.5 range, but that could be a target on the short term. And you could see the long-term divergence still starting to happen ever since it's been, trying to rally up here. I think we're looking at potential end move in the Dow and in the S&P and the Nasdaq. So, quite that's my opinion. Anyway, I'm sticking with it because that's my opinion. What's going on here? I think it's going to be a serious correction action, and it's going to start to happen within this year very soon. In this first, we're starting to see the beginning parts in this quarter. So traders and investors need to be mindful that the profits to the upside need to be very carefully monitored, and we could be running out of room here.